Hello student, my name is Sukumar. Today I shall discuss what do you mean by constant accelerations while solving any motion related problem. Let's take an example. So one particle is having initial velocity u equal to 10 meter per second, having an acceleration a equal to, let's say 5 meter per second square. After certain times it reaches point B, and here we have to find out that velocity and distance covered by the particles after t seconds. Let's say here t equal to 2 seconds. So how we can calculate? So there are three equations. V is equal to u plus at. So from first equations, if you use this, you know this u, a and t. So you will come to know v. So what will be v? So here v equal to, this u is 5 and plus a is 5, sorry, this is 10 and plus a is 5 into 2, so this is 20, right? So how will you find out s? So in this equation, if you use these equations, so you know u, you know t, you know a, so you can use this equation to find out s, or also you can use this equation also. You know this v, you know u, okay, you know a, so you can calculate s from this equations. So either any of the equation you can use to find out s. This is your homework, you can calculate yourselves. Now the point is, what will be the a here? Let's say it's a2, okay. So this is our questions. Can a2 greater than a1, or a2 less than a1, or a2 equal to a1? Okay, I am erasing this, all those stuffs. What is your answer? So this is wrong, this is wrong, this is right. This a has to be constant throughout the path, then only you can use all those equations. Okay, now let's take an example. Let's say you are throwing a ball, let's say you are playing football. This is your football. and you just kick this ball at certain force. So can you apply those three equations here? No, because whenever you are kicking this ball, so when your leg touches that ball, it produces an acceleration. Okay, but when you release this ball, so there is no accelerations, so you cannot use those three equations. Did you get it? So can you give one example where acceleration is constant? Now let's say this is your earth and you throw a ball downward. At initial velocity u equal to 10 meter per second. So here that g is constant. Let's say it's a 10 meter per second square. This is constant in throughout the path, right? So if this ball is moving in this direction, so here also g equal to 10 meter per second square. Why it is constant? Because that earth, so this is your ball, and earth is always pulling it with certain force, so that you can get this g. So here this is the case where g is constant, and you can apply all those equations. Take another examples. Let's say you are in a bike and you have an initial velocity at u, let's say 50 kilometer per hour. Now you want to stop this bike. So if you press brake, so what will happen? You press brake. So when just you pressed brake, it got decelerated. Okay, but if you release this immediately, so you cannot apply these equations, all those equations. So you have to press this brake your entire path, so that it can decelerate with a certain value. Let's say here this accelerations minus 5 kilometer per second. So this value 5 kilometer per second square, it has to be in every path, every point of this path. Then only you can apply those three formula. Okay, I think it is clear to you what do you mean by constant accelerations in motion related problem. Thank you very much for listening.